Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal internet access and company law firm. So my presentation topic is role of newspaper. So newspaper is today regarded as a powerful source of knowledge, a vigorous critic of government actions, a social reformer drawing the attention of public towards the maladies and abuses prevalent in the society, as the champion of freedom of justice, as the best tool of communication, and so exercise a tremendous influence on the minds of public. Through newspaper, one can enlighten oneself with all kinds of subject: economics, finance, administration, science, space, information, technology, commerce, sports, and topics related to the social problems facing by our country or the world. Anything. A careful and inquisitive reader of a few good newspaper can learn much more than the most scholars learn in great libraries. Said an eminent writer, newspaper commands such an educated value that it can fold the public opinion, and it can change the attitude of the people. It can force the rulers to amend their policy making and force them to enact some laws, banning some social evils prevalent in the society. The pen is mightier than the sword. Though a newspaper does not have the brutal force of a sword, it plays on the minds of the people, and it is so more effective and mightier than the sword. The beginning of the newspaper as we know today was in the form of newsletters or new books, first published in the 1400s AD. The earliest of these newsletters, often called codes, occurrence, or intelligencer, were published from Europe commercial centers. They simply contained business news and news of other public events for the business community. In the present era of information technology revolution, globalization and liberalization, the role of newspaper have been further strengthened and is became more widespread. It is the cheapest mode of communication and source of the world's knowledge. It plays the role of critical opposition necessary for the success of democracy. The newspaper world is called the fourth state of democracy. Newspapers have exposed a number of corrupt practices, officials, hidden deals, thus putting a check on cancer in the form of corruption in the society. Today, newspapers play a very emphatic role in awakening of people against many evils prevailing in the society, like child marriage among girls, illiteracy among girls, and killing of the girl child, dowry, sexual harassment of women, etc. Newspaper thus play the role of a reformist. In a democracy, a newspaper can enlighten the people in the matter of their rights and liberties, and can check the bureaucrats misusing their position and authority. Many newspapers have started columns like help desks, which help the individual who suffers and solve their problems by highlighting their grievances and problems. Newspapers have also become very important from the point of view of students, for whom the sample question paper, guest papers, etc. for academic and competitive exam are being supplied through the newspapers. During the election period, newspapers play a very important role by publishing the biodata of candidates, demerits of the candidate, criminal cases filed against the candidates, and etc., which makes the general people aware about the candidate to whom they intend to vote. India is a developing nation where 70% of the population lives in village, where the facilities of TV, internet, and other means of communication are beyond the reach of common man. So the newspaper are the only source of news and knowledge for the common masses. It is from the newspaper the villages are enlightened about the political, social, and economical events happening in our country and throughout the world. But many capitalists own some newspaper, and so many news items published in such newspaper may not be really impartial, and that creates a biased attitude and induces the mass to alive as if something was wrong. In the name of freedom of the press, some sweepers blackmail the innocent corporate or public in their own interest. And where there is no freedom of the press, the newspapers is a propaganda in the hands of governments. The press then is nothing or than a pile of lies. But in spite of all the weakness of journalism, newspaper, it can well be included that if honestly run, they are the most useful and effective tools to lighten the people, to check the wrongs done by the government, and to the people aware of their rights. An impartial and fearless press is the requirement for the success of a democracy. So it is all about the role of newspaper in our present era. So if you have any question related to this topic, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and share this video, and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. And this video is not for any kind of promotion, etc., etc. Thank you and have a nice Day.